Yeah, okay. All right, guys. Welcome to the video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make $1 million overnight trading Forex.
Make $1 million.
I'm kidding. I just wanted a sweet title, okay? That's not gonna happen. The only way to actually make $1 million, the only way I imagine someone can actually make $1 million overnight trading Forex is if they were to just, I don't know, have a shit ton of money in their account from the jump. Or I was gonna say or, but there's no reason to say or. They have a shit ton of money in their account from the jump, and then they just freaking hit a good trade. Like, I don't know, maybe they take a signal or something. Maybe they've been practicing for a while, and then they just, I don't know, make $1 million trade overnight. They trade London session. Yeah, it's overnight. I mean, if you're in the US, that's kind of at night. So, yeah. Action, man. Let's get it. All right, so welcome to this. I'm actually redoing this because I didn't like how I did it before, because I realized that, dude, it's so much easier to show shit when you have the replay trading. So I went ahead and got TradingView, the pro subscription. Okay, so now we can replay trade. All right, so the first, I don't even know why I got rid of the Fibonacci. That was kind of stupid. So the first thing is, where is it? Where's the fucking Fibonacci? Damn it. Here we go. Whew. Sheesh. Okay, so here's what we were looking at. Here's what I was looking at. I took one demo trade on the Fibonacci account. It went bad. I'm really down on that account. I'll show you guys a screenshot while I'm talking about this, you know, or maybe, you know what, I'll just switch over real quick. I'm really down on this account. I'm only risking $2 per trade, only doing 1 loss per day. And I don't know if this account is actually going to recover. I don't think this account is actually going to recover, to be honest, because I mean, look at this. Look at this shit, bro. This is crazy. You know, I'm considering not even doing this shit on this account and using signals to get it back up, because I do want to keep this account and I want to see if I can save this account. But anyways, here's what I saw. I shouldn't have even been trading NAS 100 in the first place, to be honest. You know, I also did a breakout. I'll draw the trend line for that in a sec, but you know, I got in right here and it just went down and hit my stops. You know, it just hit my stops. Okay, it hit my stops. All right, as you can see, stops were hit. 142, stops were hit. Actually, that's the wrong Fibonacci. That is the wrong Fibonacci now that I'm looking at it. What the hell was it even? I don't remember the right one. All I know is that the trade just went shitty, okay? And I had a trend line for a sell. I think that was a Fibonacci for a sell or some shit. Yeah, I had that going on. Obviously, this was for the breakout. That didn't work out. But when I looked back, it turns out that US 30 had the winning trade. So let's just stick to US 30. So with that being said, let's get rid of NAS 100 and stick to the plan, because we got to stick to the plan. Okay. So anyways, with US 30, there was so I did some of these right here. All right. Honestly, there shouldn't have been any losses today. It should have really just been a break even, and that's it. All right, because I got in here at first and then I tried to hedge it, which was really retarded. And then I added another entry when I wasn't supposed to. And yeah, it was just stupid, but we're in a positive. So, I mean, it's cool. You know, I got in at 32,801. Let's see, 32,801. That was around, okay, that was around here, because I had my alert and my alert still has never gotten hit. It still never got hit. So I got in right around here. All right, let's hit the replay button. It really shows what's going on here. That's why I like the replay button, okay? Not gonna lie, I got in this trade a little bit late. I should have gotten down here, but hey, better than nothing, right? We still have lots of bullish movement. So here's what happened, okay? Boom, boom. Oh my gosh, it might hit my stops. Psych. Didn't even touch my stops. It got pretty close, but it didn't touch it. It just went up and up and up, and it hit take profit. And thing is, I actually didn't have my take profit set. I just had an alert set up here, because like I said, my goal with these breakouts, my alert was set for 100 points. It hit 100 points, and I checked the trade and I closed it down here because I realized I didn't have my take profit set. And my goal of these 2% breakouts, I'm saying 2% because I want to be able to risk 2% on a funded account doing these breakouts, because I mean, you hit a good trade, you get a good load up in. I mean, shit, dude, like if I had a good load up in, I'm gonna start loading up the trades based on a 5 minutes. So like right here, I would have loaded this trade up right here. Reason being is because we got this wick right here and we have this little pattern, okay, where it's engulfing these two candles right here. That's what I see. All right, and it's a strong bullish candle, okay, and it just pushed up. All right, now let's imagine it didn't push up. We don't see that yet, you know. More clear view of this shit, okay? And I'm gonna keep all my stops 20 points, okay? So like, I get in a good trade, I can easily do 40%. You know, I'm looking to do big ass trades, to be honest. So that's what I'm practicing right now while I'm doing signals. But anyways, this one hit, and that explains the win right here, okay? But yeah, that's pretty much it for this. Here is the signals account, the funded account I'm using, the evaluation account I'm using signals to get funded on, okay? We're at break even right now. I start trading today. Today is Sunday. I only do it on Sunday, Mondays, and Wednesdays because I did the research. I looked back in the past and I realized that most of the wins are going to be on Sundays, Mondays, and Wednesdays, okay? It's not really the best idea to trade. I learned the hard way that it's not really the best idea to trade every day. I mean, you can trade every day, but if you're aiming for freaking certain points. Okay, anyways, what I was saying is, what I realized is that, yeah, you could trade every day, but if you're aiming for certain points, like, for example, signals wise, because we are talking about signals right now. If I'm aiming for 50 points, 50 pips, and it's not going to hit 50 pips every single day. There's never been a week where it's just been 50 pips every single day, okay? Yeah, there may be wins, but on days where it's just a 10-point win, 10 pip win, we're talking about Forex right now. I'm still thinking about US 30. Anyways, on days where it's just a 10 pip win, 20 pip win, maybe even a 40 pip win, I'm gonna lose because I'm only aiming for 50 pips. So it doesn't make sense to trade every day. It just makes no sense. So that's why I only do Sundays, Mondays, and Wednesdays, all right? I'm not gonna do Tuesdays. There have been a lot of wins on Tuesdays. However, the most losses have happened on Tuesdays. And we're gonna look back, okay? Because it works. It worked this week. I'm confident this doing signals this way is gonna keep working because I got the data from the previous 3 months. It's like some shit on my face. I don't know. Anyways, I got the data from the past 3 months, and yeah, because it's like, I'm gonna take these signals. I might as well figure out the best way to use them, right? Okay, check it out. So here are the signals from last week, okay? Boom. All right, this was the last week. We talked about this in the previous update video. All right, so 10 pips right there. I lost on this one because it's only 10 pips and went down and hit stops. Okay, I won this one. All right, lost this one. I actually lost 3 in a row here. It says 2, but I lost 3 in a row because he said to move stops to 0.50. He said to move stops to 164.550. And as soon as I got that message, I was already stopped out. So I had 3 losses, but it was a small loss, and my 2 losses equaled 2%, and I'm risking 1% per trade, so I mean, it's all right. Anyways, so here's what happened. This was on freaking Monday. This was a Monday win for me, all right? And here's Tuesday. Notice I would have lost on Tuesday. I would have lost twice on Wednesday, and I would have lost on Thursday, all right? I would have lost on Thursday. The rest of the days, I would have just lost, all right? And I say Wednesday, I trade on Wednesday too. However, so yeah, but anyways, Wednesday, I didn't trade on Wednesday. Reason being was because I already had 2 50 pip wins for the week. Like if I get a 50 pip win on Sunday and one on Monday, you know, what's the point in getting another one on Wednesday, you know? Like you saw what happened. Like there's not always gonna be 50 pip wins. So it's like, I'm better off stopping trading now and then continuing next week. You know, there's no need to trade every single day. And like in the past, when I would do my own strategy, all right, I would have had my funded account still, and I would have got a better withdrawal if I stuck to 1 win per week, all right, instead of trying to trade every single day. Because with that aggressive strategy I was using with the Fibonacci, I would win and I would lose and lose, and it was just, yeah. But not to make this video too long, I'm gonna stick with doing the signals, going to practice breakouts and Fibonacci, all right? I'm considering only doing breakouts because I enjoy those more. And yeah, that's about it. So we're out.